Chapter 1: Freelancing Essentials. In the ever-evolving landscape of the gig economy, freelancing has emerged as a prominent avenue for earning substantial income. With the flexibility to choose projects that align with one's skills and interests, freelancing offers a tailored approach to employment that traditional jobs often lack. This chapter delves into the essentials of freelancing, identifying marketable skills, navigating platforms, and constructing a successful profile to pave the way to earning $1,000 per month. Discovering marketable skills. The first step in embarking on a freelance career is to identify the skills that are both marketable and in line with your passions. Marketable skills are those with high demand in online freelance marketplaces. Commonly sought-after skills include web development, graphic design, content writing, digital marketing, and data analysis. However, the scope is broad, and nearly every professional skill has a place in the freelance market. To identify your strongest marketable skills, begin by assessing your current capabilities and how they align with real-world demand. Tools like LinkedIn and job boards can provide insights into which skills employers value most. Platforms for freelance work. Once you have pinpointed your marketable skills, the next step is to select the right platforms to showcase your services. Upwork, a large platform that covers a vast range of skill sets. It is ideal for both beginners and experienced freelancers, offering jobs from short-term tasks to long-term projects. Freelancer. Similar to Upwork, Freelancer allows you to compete with other professionals to secure projects, which can be beneficial for new entrants looking to build their portfolios. Fiverr, known for its unique structure, where freelancers list gigs based on what they can offer starting at $5. It is particularly well suited for creative and digital services. Specialized platforms. Depending on your skills, you might consider niche platforms. For example, TopTal offers opportunities for top software developers, while Contently caters to content writers and journalists. Choosing the right platform often depends on your skill level, the nature of your services, and your career goals. Building a successful freelance profile. Your profile is often the first point of contact with potential clients, making it crucial to create a compelling and professional introduction to your services. Here are key elements to focus on. Professional photo. A professional, friendly profile photo can make a significant difference. It sets the first impression and can affect a client's decision to engage with you. Compelling bio. Write a clear, concise bio that highlights your expertise, experience, and what sets you apart from other freelancers. Tailor your bio to appeal to the type of client you wish to attract. Portfolio. Your portfolio is critical for showcasing your best work. Include samples that highlight your skills and reflect the quality of your work. Ensure that your portfolio is organized, up-to-date, and tailored to your target market. Testimonials. If you have prior freelancing experience, including testimonials from past clients can greatly enhance your credibility. New freelancers can initially work at a lower rate to gain testimonials and build a track record. Skill tests. Many platforms offer skills tests as a way to validate your capabilities. Completing these tests can provide potential clients with assurance of your proficiency and dedication. Communication. Expressing your ideas clearly and responding promptly to inquiries can set you apart. Effective communication is often cited by clients as a key factor in their decision to hire a freelancer.